Hello everyone, we are Group 6 from Mechatronics Laboratory 1. My name is Yaminchi.
My name is Nurmakita binti Muhammad. My name is Nur Rafika binti Hashim.
And my name is Nashamila Azhar.
Now my group will introduce our project, which is Touchless Doorbell with automatic temperature detector.
The basic function of a doorbell is to notify the person inside the house that someone is there at the door if a visitor presses the switch.
The reason why we chose to build this smart system is to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Coronavirus stay on surface for nearly 24 to 48 hours. In this pandemic of COVID-19, we should avoid from touching any surface such as a doorbell. To solve that problem, we have decided to build a touchless doorbell with automatic body temperature detector, which is able to detect the presence of the visitors and their body temperature without the need of pressing the doorbell. Now I will explain how our system works. This is the IR sensor, which is used to detect the presence of the visitor, while this is the temperature sensor LM35, which is used to detect the body temperature of the visitor. The buzzer will be our doorbell. We have 3 LEDs here to show the status of the visitor. The first green LED is to show the body temperature of the visitor is normal. The second LED, which is the red LED, will light up when the body temperature of the visitor is abnormal. The third LED is to show the presence of the visitor.
Now I will demonstrate how the system works. I will use my hand to indicate as the visitor. If my body temperature is normal, the first green LED will light up. When the visitor is near the IR sensor will detect the presence of the visitor and the buzzer will ring, like a doorbell.
Touchless doorbell is the most suitable doorbell to be used in this current situation of COVID-19. This is because the doorbell may be touched by an infected person. The doorbell can then spread the virus. In conclusion, even though our project is not perfect, but it's functionable and easy enough for our daily life.